Look who's here. Look who's here. She came yesterday. She's spending a couple days with us. And today is yet again another Maracas Beach run. Amos's family is over there. They rented a house. I'm not too sure how many days they were there for, but they invited us over to spend the day with them today. Today is Sunday. It is 10 in the morning. We're running late because they're supposed to be here since 9:30. No sign of them yet. We didn't eat any breakfast. We want to stop for doubles. Sarah, you want doubles?
Yeah.
She wants doubles. She'll never say no to doubles. Say no to doubles.
Yes.
And so yeah, so that's it. Maracas Beach run again today, Sunday. Today's the what, the 5th?
Yeah.
Today's the 5th of August, 2018. But before I go, I have to say goodbye to my little baby. Where's my little baby? Where's mommy little baby? Hi, mama. Isn't she sweet? Isn't she pretty? I love you. I love you. Mommy's going for the day, okay? Mommy's going to the beach and she cannot take you. Do not miss me. Know that I love you and I will see you later, okay? Show them your bunny ears. My little poo-poo. Okay, I'm gonna go now, right? To the beach now. Sun real hot, guys.
Here's nice, I don't mind. I mean, you want to walk the whole entire beach. Sarah, some emos.
Who comes to the beach in track pants and jeans?
Guys, seriously, Anissa?
Yeah,
Look at her wear. And sneaks.
Who comes to the beach in jeans?
I want track pants and the jeans and the beach.
That Vienna must be boiling.
How?
That Vienna must be boiling.
They giving away free Magnum. Magnum was in the lolly, okay? And the drink. Did you get your free Magnum?
Hell yeah.
How is it?
Oh, that was good. Yeah, this is fun. But yeah, I'm on one. You got a big bite. Yeah, my one isn't really nice.
Oh yeah, I did double caramel.
Oh, yeah, this is not fun. You this in around good.
Just after you watch them song, the one for class.
It's nice.
Yes, I didn't try. Don't like game no more.
I'm going to give this song for them with them.
Come back now. Before you get licked in your ass again. Looks up young. Nah, like wish smell.
He's doing it.
Hey, bring her pie dinner. She bring her pie dinner.
Welcome to Maracas Beach. While you're here, why not check out Uncle Sam's Cocktails? We've got the Donald.
She's like, I am so hot, I am sweating. Do you want to stay here or you want to go back to the house?
I'll stay here, but carry me in the water.
She wants to go into the water. For the first time ever, Sarah is going to try a bacon track. Now she's Trinidadian. Never had a bacon track before, so she's going to try it for the very first time.
That's embarrassing, but...
So here's the bacon track.
Okay, how am I supposed to eat it?
Pick it up. You just pick it up and put it in your mouth.
This is good.
How good?
Really, really good.
Baby in blue. Slide on her. She has to be party yesterday. Pet Ishmael, pet him. So biggie eye is.
Time for my child to go into the water.
I'm going now?
Yes. We're gonna
No,
go.
I did. I'll change my clothes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. She's so lame.
Sorry.
Let's see what the water is like. Could somebody put on some light for a second? Guys,
We Saturday.
so we leaving the beach now.
On your chest.
We leaving the beach
All
now.
I'm missing is the tattoos, baby.
What?
Ishmael, eat your heart out.
Guys,
Go one mile across.
we leaving the beach
Now
now.
behind your girl.
We need some light. Right. We're not able to see Coach or Dave. Coach or Dave, yeah. Look, there's the ocean right there. It's dark. It's like 7 o'clock. Summertime in Trinidad. It's not like summertime in the States. Anyway, so we're leaving now.
You speaking so?
We're leaving now, okay? We're leaving now, so we're gonna go back to the house and that should be it. We're gonna go back to the house, probably dry up a bit. Because some of us didn't bring clothes, like I eat myself. Speak for myself. And we're gonna have some pilau.
Yes.
Coaches,
I went and watch
they cooked pilau last night, and we're gonna have some pilau, and that's it. And we're gonna head home.
No, we're gonna drink. Oh well, Laura, I wouldn't
Yeah,
drink.
Dave, go.
Yeah, but I'm waiting for the two man to go from inside.
So we're home. Yes, it was a fun-filled day. It was really nice. And we're home back to my baby. She's with Auntie. Did you have fun today?
Yeah, I did.
It was really nice. We had a good time. Coach and Anissa just left. They're gonna message us when they reach home. That was it. Let me just find out from Dave what is Dave doing. So she's playing with her bunny. My bunny. Let me go see what Dave is. So yeah, so it was nice. We want to wish you guys a safe, prosperous week ahead. Let's do this the real way now. So anyways, guys, we will see you all in our next video. Say bye.
Bye.
Can you kiss? Can you kiss? Mwah. And he falls asleep. You see how easy it is to get him to sleep with? Mwah. Goodbye. Your nail fly out? Where is it?
Blessings, those coming from blessings, but we are to be patient. We've been on
Vamos lá,